The sky trembles. A new predator rises, and its message is unmistakable. The reign of American air dominance is far from over. This is the story of the F-15EX Eagle II, a fighter born not in the shadows of stealth, but in the relentless pursuit of air superiority, a jet that many expected to fade into history, until it proved, once again, why legends don't retire. They evolve. The origins of the F-15EX stretch back nearly half a century. In the early 1970s, the United States confronted a sobering reality. Soviet fighters like the MiG-25 were rewriting the rules of aerial combat. America needed an aircraft that could outclimb, outturn, and outfight anything in the sky. The original F-15 was the answer, a champion that earned an unmatched record of more than 100 aerial victories with 0 losses. But decades later, as new threats emerged and air forces modernized, a question surfaced. Could this proven design rise to meet the challenges of the 21st century? The answer arrived in the form of the F-15EX, a re-engineered giant built to carry the weapons and sensors of the modern battlespace while retaining the raw, muscular strength of the Eagle lineage. The airframe is familiar, yet reborn. Its broad, shoulder-mounted wings provide tremendous lift, allowing it to carry more weapons than any fighter in U.S. history. Composite materials reduce weight while reinforcing the structure. Digital fly-by-wire controls replace the old hydraulic systems, giving pilots smoother, more precise handling. Beneath its skin, a deeply modern network architecture transforms the jet into a flying command node, allowing it to share data instantly with allied aircraft, drones, and ground stations. At its core lies the Eagle II's technological crown, the ANA PG-82 AESA radar, able to track targets at extreme ranges, resist jamming, and engage multiple enemies at once. It gives the F-15EX eyes that pierce through clutter, weather, and deception. Its advanced electronic warfare suite, the EPA WSS, is equally critical. The system listens, analyzes, and adapts in real time, jamming or deceiving enemy radars before they can even lock on. The F-15EX is not stealth, but it is far from vulnerable. Power comes from twin General Electric F-11 OGE-129 engines, each pushing more than 29,000 pounds of thrust in afterburner. Together, they give the Eagle to a top speed exceeding Mach 2.5 and a climb rate that feels almost unnatural, more than 50,000 feet per minute. With a combat radius of over 1,100 kilometers and a service ceiling of around 60,000 feet, the jet rises above the fight and then drops back into it with crushing force. But perhaps the most defining feature of the F-15EX is what it carries. It is the heaviest hauling fighter in the American arsenal. Up to 30,000 pounds of ordnance hang from its pylons. Long-range AIM-120 AMR. Short-range AIM-9X sidewinders. Standoff weapons like the AGM-158 JASSM. Precision bombs guided by laser or GPS. And at the center of it all, a 20mm 61 Vulcan cannon, the same whisper-fast gun that made the original Eagle feared in close combat. The targeting is handled through advanced pods capable of identifying objects from miles away, day or night. Every element is designed to let the aircraft hit first, hit hard, and disappear before the enemy can react. And though the F-15EX is still new, its DNA is anything but inexperienced. The Eagle family has fought across the Middle East for decades, dominating skies over Iraq, Syria, and beyond. In exercises like Red Flag and international coalitions, the Eagle repeatedly proved its ability to detect, track, and neutralize opponents long before they became a threat. Test pilots report that the X variant elevates these strengths even further: faster processing, cleaner sensor fusion, and the ability to fire next-generation weapons that stealth jets cannot yet accommodate. In the hands of a skilled pilot, the F-15EX becomes a predator that leverages altitude, speed, and reach. Doctrine teaches Eagle pilots to strike from distances where the enemy has almost no time to react, using superior radar range to choose the terms of battle. If forced into a merge, the aircraft's enormous thrust gives it the ability to climb vertically and reset the fight. And its payload means it can serve as the arsenal aircraft of the formation, the fighter that carries the long-range missiles for the entire strike package. Inevitably, comparisons arise against the stealthy F-35. The F-15EX is not meant to replace or compete. Instead, it complements, carrying heavy weapons the F-35 cannot, engaging at long range, and using brute force where stealth is not required. Against foreign fighters like the Russian Su-35, the comparison shifts. The Su-35 emphasizes maneuverability and raw thrusts. But the F-15EX brings superior radar, weapons, integration, and electronic warfare. A combination that often decides the fight before maneuvering even begins. The most honest assessment is simple. The Eagle II wins with the same philosophy that defined the original: see first, shoot first, survive. Today, the F-15EX is entering service with the U.S. Air Force, replacing aging F-15CS whose decades of hard flying have reached their limits. Future versions may include conformal fuel tanks, hypersonic weapon support, and even deeper integration with unmanned aircraft. Foreign partners have shown interest as well, recognizing that the Eagle II offers something rare, a proven airframe with next-generation capability. Available now, ready to fly for decades. And in the end, perhaps that is the message of this aircraft. In an era obsessed with stealth and invisibility, the F-15EX stands as a reminder that power still matters. Speed still matters. Range, payload, and resilience still matter. The Eagle II is not a shadow in the sky. It is a force, a presence, a statement of intent. As it roars upward into the blue, afterburners carving the air, the meaning becomes unmistakable. Air dominance is not a relic of the past. It is a promise, renewed, reinforced, and reborn in metal and fire. And the F-15EX is the promise made real.